Home security is a top priority for residents of Pell City. Your doors are the first line of defense against potential intruders and a key component of your home's overall safety. Expert door installation is not just about aesthetics, it's an essential step toward fortifying your home. Here's why investing in professional door installation is a smart choice for enhancing home security in Pell City. Stronger materials for maximum protection. The material of your door plays a vital role in its ability to withstand forced entry. Professional door installers in Pell City offer a variety of durable materials like solid wood, steel, and fiberglass. These materials are far more secure than older, hollow-core doors, which are easy to break through. Steel doors provide unmatched strength and are resistant to weather and wear. Fiberglass doors offer excellent durability while mimicking the appearance of wood. Solid wood doors combine classic beauty with robust security. By consulting an expert, you can choose the material best suited to your home's needs, ensuring both style and safety. Advanced locking mechanism. Professional door installation allows for the integration of modern, high-security locking systems. These locks go beyond the basic deadbolts found in many older homes. Some options include smart locks with keyless entry and remote control capabilities, multi-point locking systems that secure the door at multiple points along the frame, reinforced strike plates that resist impact during attempted break-ins. An expert installer can seamlessly integrate these systems into your new door, providing you with cutting-edge security and peace of mind. Precise installation for a perfect fit. Even the sturdiest door can't perform effectively if it's poorly installed. Gaps, misalignments, and improper sealing not only compromise security but also allow drafts, water, and pests into your home. Professional door installers ensure a perfect fit by taking exact measurements of your door frame, reinforcing the frame and hinges for added stability, installing weather stripping and seals to eliminate gaps. In Pell City, where weather conditions can vary, a properly installed door not only enhances security but also improves energy efficiency and comfort. Enhanced door frames and reinforcement. The secure door is only as strong as its frame. Professional door installers reinforce the frame to ensure it can withstand forced entry. Techniques include installing heavy-duty steel frames for maximum durability, adding hinge reinforcements to prevent doors from being lifted or pried open, using long screws that anchor the frame securely to the wall studs. These measures ensure that your door and frame work together to provide comprehensive protection for your home. Integration with home security systems. Modern door installations can integrate seamlessly with your existing home security systems. Expert installers can equip your door with smart cameras for real-time monitoring, motion sensors that detect movement near the door, alarm triggers that activate during attempted break-ins. These features allow you to monitor and control access to your home remotely, giving you added security and convenience. Deterrence through visual security. A well-installed, sturdy door sends a clear message to potential intruders, your home is well protected. Professional door installation not only enhances physical security but also acts as a deterrent. Criminals are less likely to target a home with a reinforced, modern door that clearly signals a commitment to safety. Peace of mind for your family. The ultimate benefit of expert door installation is the peace of mind it provides. Knowing that your home is equipped with a secure, professionally installed door allows you to relax and focus on what matters most, your family and lifestyle. Why choose expert door installation in Pell City? Working with professionals ensures that your door installation is done correctly and efficiently. Experts bring knowledge of the latest security technologies, experience in handling a variety of door types and materials, attention to detail to ensure maximum protection and functionality. Additionally, many professional installers in Pell City offer warranties on their work, giving you added assurance of quality and reliability. Conclusion: enhancing your home security starts with a solid, professionally installed door. For residents of Pell City, expert door installation offers numerous benefits, from advanced locking mechanisms to reinforced frames and seamless integration with modern security systems. By investing in professional services, you're not just upgrading your door, you're safeguarding your home and family. If you're considering a door upgrade, consult with a trusted professional in Pell City. A secure, expertly installed door is the first step toward a safer, more comfortable home. Don't wait. Fortify your home today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your family is protected.